Hey guys, it's Loki Dev. Welcome back to my channel. So, by just seeing the title of this video, you guys can understand that we are going to do something really interesting, that is to build a 3D game. But the question is that what kind of a 3D game that we are going to make. So, since I'm making this video or a playlist for just for beginners who are going to make the first 3D game for the first time in their life, I'm just going to keep it really simple. But before that, if you guys don't have any idea about how to use a game engine, how to use the Unity game engine basically, and you guys don't have any idea about the interface and all, just please check out my previous video, because there I have explained all the things about the interface of the Unity. I have explained everything in detail, by just even doing it and by giving examples. So yeah, if you guys don't have any idea about how to use Unity or its interface, please check out my previous video, because we are going to make the game in the Unity engine. So yeah, if you guys don't have any idea about how to use the Unity game engine or about its interface, please check out my previous video, and it's really easy. Anyways, moving on, we're going to make a game that has already been existed but in 2D. So it's a very famous game, but it's in 2D. So I'm just going to give you a hint, what game it is. You have played this game and you have become really frustrated. You want to play it again and again and again, but you became frustrated with the low score. It goes by the name known as Flappy. Lol, I guess you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, today I'm going to make the 3D remake of the game, of a very famous game which got banned after all in Play Store and in iOS because of its frustrating behavior, or I don't like that game, to be honest. Anyways, so we are going to make Flappy Bird 3D. So because of copyright issues, I'm going to call it I'm going to call Flappy as Floppy, because I don't want the creator to give a strike on this video. So we are going to make the 3D version of Floppy Bird, or Floppy Bird 3D, or we're going to change the name after all. So you guys know how this game looks like, and how frustrating it is to play the game, and the bird has to pass through the chimneys, and if the bird gets hit by even one chance, then you lose the game. Anyways, so we are going to make that frustrating game into a very interactive, into a very nice kind of a soothing kind of a 3D game. So at the end, the 3D remake of this game will look like this. You guys can see how it will look like on the screen. So anyways, we are going to make that, and I'm going to post all the, I'm going to divide the building of this 3D game into many parts, and I'm going to release or publish it in a playlist in a chronological order, so you guys don't have to look for the videos and all. Just click on one playlist and you will find it here. So yeah, I'm going to post all the videos in a one by one kind of order, so you guys won't face any kind of problems. Anyways, let's continue with what we were talking about. So anyways, we are going to make Floppy Bird 3D. So that's the introduction of this video. Please click on the next video if it has been posted by me, or please wait for 1 day or 2 days. I'll just post the next videos properly in a one by one kind of order. I'm working on it right now. So anyways, that's the introduction before we start building this awesome 3D game. Anyways, Loki Dev signing off.